What's up, fellow traders? I'm coming at you a little early today. Got some news I want to share with you. Let's start with the market here. Not surprised about what happened today. The volume was light across the board. If you look at your FCXs and your IPIs, your Intrepid Potashes, you know, they jumped on half volume today. I definitely am leaning towards just a little bit of a fluff. You know, like I said, this area up here, we're not going to see it for a while, and they're just coming back up, giving people hope, sucking in some more people. As far as my trades, I'm still holding strong on my FAS and SRS. You know, I don't know how high FAS will go up if we reach our lows. Depends on how the drop is. Is it fast? Is it little bits at a time? That's all gonna, you know, mathematically figure what FAS will be as it drops. You know, personally, I'm looking for 8 to 10 on FAS. And SRS, I got a really light position at 22.50, and I traded out of that position. Those of you who've been following me, just took a little slight loss on that, and I'm still holding a little bit of SRS. Will pick up more if it drops more down into the teens. I'm going to go into my Joann's, my JAS short today. I'm going to grab the camera and just go over that chart with you and just show you why I've jumped on this short. And you know, I'm still playing for the market to fall. Haven't sold me yet. Yeah, I was tempted to buy some United Steel down around 26 last week, and I was looking at a little position at FCX at 45-ish, and but nah, you know, I'm not gonna get antsy. You know, it's okay if I go a month without making any money right now. The fall's definitely coming. This is the Joann's 3-year chart right here that I pulled up, and I just want to show you why I'm all over this. You know, their tops, that's where we're battling right now. You know, beautiful line, boom, right there. Okay? It's going to take an act of God for this stock to go up above here, and if it does, it'll be very short-lived. Then we got this line, our low before our climb, off of our last dinker right here before the plunge. It came right back up to it and dinked it. Dinked it again right here, so I really like it. Pointing at the same area, so we got a pretty strong double nut there. This line I drew here, that's my short-term target, 18. That's where I'm looking for Joann's to hit, make $3 to $4 on that trade. I didn't add to it today. Like I said, I started my position at 20.60. If it fluffs up a little more tomorrow morning, I'll probably have another order in at like 22.50. And this is like my next Dollar Tree. Even though Dollar Tree was tempting today, I was checking it on my phone and I seen them at that 44.50 earnings or tomorrow. I was really tempted to grab a chunk of that too, but we'll see what happens with earnings. And my Bed Bath & Beyond, anything above 30, that's open game to short again. So that's kind of where I'm at on my trades. Like I said, I'm a little antsy, but I'm being patient. So I own a small business. This is a little piece of information I'm going to share with you guys. I just got a letter in the mail. I got my Advanta card I've been using for my small business. Never carry a balance over. Got a letter today. It says the company's funded by an outside investor that carries all the balances. As of May 30th, they're done. They're pulling out. Card's done. What does that tell you? You know, I got a credit score of 800. Like I said, I pay my balance off every month. It's a $20,000 card to run my business. Been using it for 6 years. And the outside company that funds the purchases is pulling out. It's done. You know, that's why I really think this fluff, it's weird how I got the letter today. So you know what's going on out there. It's not good. And they're definitely fluffing this. And I guess I am going to feel sorry for the people that are getting sucked in on this fluff rally. No way can it hold, and no way will it hold. How long will it hold? We'll just have to stay tuned to find out. Good luck.